Welcome everyone, this is Pablo from Style Systems, your exclusive and personal image consultant. For more information, go to stylesystems.com.mx so you can find out everything that I do. So in this video what we're going to cover is something that I've been getting asked a lot, which is what is the one thing that you can do to improve your fashion, to improve your style, and of course improve how attractive you are. This is the number one thing that you can apply immediately. You can apply it right now, just right now as you're watching this video, and you will become more attractive. This is just a very simple thing, yet so fucking powerful. And people tend to not pay attention to it because it's so simple. People are like, yeah, whatever, you know, like they think they know, but they really don't know. So I'm about to show you some examples of the fit. If you want to become more attractive, you need to pay attention to the fit and the size of your clothes. This is just it. You want to improve with your fashion? The first step that you need to do is wear things that actually fit you. Fit your size, fit your proportions, fit your silhouette, meaning the body shape that you have. If you start wearing things appropriately to your size, oh man, you will be so attractive. The most attractive person in the world. Because people don't wear things that people don't know about their body. People don't pay attention to their unique characteristics. They either are ashamed of it, or they want to show it too much and they look vulgar, right? They're like too proud. People that go to the gym, they want to show off their muscles all the time and it looks kind of vulgar, you know, it looks silly. Or people that are a little bit chubby, they're a little bit insecure with their body shape, their body size, they tend to hide it. It's not about hiding your body, it's about owning who you are and expressing it in the best way possible. Becoming the best version of yourself, that's just what it is. This is not about comparing yourself to others. This is not about fitting the standards of what the GQ magazines are telling you or what other people in society are telling you. This is about you and dressing yourself up in the best way possible. So I'm about to show you certain examples so that you can visually see the impact that you're creating, the visual impact that you're creating on yourself and on your audience. Because if you want to improve with your fashion, and if you want to become more attractive immediately, you need to start paying attention to your fit. As you can clearly see, my silhouette already looks different. I mean, it's not about that I have a good body, a bad body, skinny, you know, I'm fat, I'm a little bit chubby, I'm short, I'm tall. It doesn't matter about that. What matters is the SPFC rule. And this is about the silhouette and the proportions. If I wear bigger things, of course I'm going to look bigger. I'm adding on weight. Every time I wear things that are not your size, you're immediately going to look bigger, especially because people are trying to hide themselves with this. So just look at me, man, I look horrible. It doesn't matter what you do not look okay. So let me show you right now what's the best thing that you can do, the single most important thing to become more attractive. As you can see, the change is undeniable. You can already see how immediately your silhouette changes because you're dressing yourself up with your size. You need to choose outfits and clothes that are actually of your size. It's the worst thing that you can do, wearing things that are bigger or wearing things that are smaller. It's not about wearing super skinny things. No, because you may look vulgar. What you need to do is take care of your silhouette and your proportions. You need to get to know the specifics about your body. You know, what is unique about your body. It doesn't matter if you're tall, short, you know, a little bit chubby or not, or super skinny. What matters is that you need to wear things that work for your specifications. Each body is different, and it's alright. When you start dressing yourself up with your current size, with the fit, with proper fit, immediately you're going to become more attractive. It's just inevitable. Just look, you know, you compare from the last t-shirt that I was wearing and this one, you can already see it. But wear things that actually fit you. This is one of the laws or the system that I created, the SPFC system. This is one of the laws that I created so that you can look better regardless of your age, your size, your nationality. It doesn't matter, man. What matters is that you take care of this. So with that, I'm gonna leave you. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me your comments, keep sending me your questions. I fucking love it. Become the best version of yourself. I will see you in the next one.